Electropneumatic is India's leading metal forming solution provider with over 54 years of industry experience. At MF India Chennai, we will be showcasing two of our flagship products, the thin wall 1D tube bending machine and a 160-ton mechanical press. Chennai is one of India's largest manufacturing hubs, particularly for the automotive and engineering sectors, making MF India an ideal platform to engage directly with key decision makers, OEMs, Tier 1 suppliers and industry leaders. Our state-of-the-art 1D tube bending machine is designed to meet the evolving demands of the automotive industry for manufacturing critical thin wall, tight radius, exhaust and chassis tubular components, delivering exceptional accuracy, repeatability and aesthetic quality. Apart from the mechanical presses, we also manufacture vast range of hydraulic presses, which includes sheet metal forming presses, forging presses which have cold forging and hot forging, powder compacting presses, molding presses and some special purpose machines. Today's customers are looking for complete automated production line solutions that combine automation, online quality inspection and sustainability. They want energy efficient machines with Industry 4.0 capabilities, enabling real-time OE monitoring, productive analysis and predictive maintenance. The focus is on delivering a smart, connected and highly productive manufacturing environment rather than just individual machines. So we are focusing on developing a complete turnkey solutions for our customers.